Alright, welcome to my channel. This is Lock Chuck. What I've got today is this Euro cylinder. It's an ISEO or ISEO. It's a 5-pin cylinder. It's a half euro that I got from Brett Sucks. Thank you, sir. It didn't have a key. It does now. I just kind of filed, not impressioning, really just taking it out and, filing each position till the pins were flush. So, all right, now I'm going to try to find my tensioner. What did I put? All right, it's one of those days, guys. Forgive me. Oh, there it is, right there. All right. It's just been one of those days. All right. Top of the keyway. I'm gonna go. We'll click out of 1, I think. Not much, but like 4 binding. Got a little bit of a false set out of 4. 5. Let's see. Let me come to the front. 1's counter rotating. Got a click. Lost my false set. See if I can go back to 4 and get it. Got it back. Check 1. Still up. Let's see. It's not very much rotation there. I don't know if that's what 1. 3's countering. Got it, but I lost my faults. Go back to 4. Let's go back to my faults. Let's try 5. 5 is countering. Alright, I got 5. A little bit deeper fault set. And now 2's countering. So I'm going to rotate 2. Again, lost a fault set. Go back, check 4. And we're open. Alright. So let me do this quick gut and I'll show you the pins. Alright, so there's the pins, all standard key pins. Got a standard key pin and number 4, and then spools and the rest. So that's why fun little pick. Alright, thanks for watching.